Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sallo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. A TikToker who calls himself Igay Elismart went on to TikTok to rant and expose Moja Love presenter and Christian pastor Bishop Makamu, who is also a funeral parlor owner, after, according to him, they had received the most horrible funeral service they could possibly receive from anyone, you guys. So Igay Elismart went on to TikTok and shared a very sad video, and along that video he posted this and said, "What a horrible service we got from Makamu funeral. My cousin has been paying for her policy kahle to avoid stress. Should omunye abathandayo bashone izolo 22 June 2024, she couldn't even grieve for ubabakhe cause uMakamu failed to provide service as they should, but they are committed to excellence. I doubt this commitment is for every member, but sinawe ebumzimeni kuphi khona kuningi engifuna ukuzwisa abantu about the level of service we got from Izolo, but I am just gonna name the few. Number one, tent arrived late on Friday. We had to call, and not just one call. From what I know, Umakamu prepares the tent decor a day before, but Kenalapo, we had to call them ekuseni because wow, the funeral arranger, whatever they call it, Cindy, so I was nowhere to be found. Nakhona naleyo decor, you can see ukuthi ukudlulisa. You can see that ukudlulisa nje, they used torn cloth, rags nje. The tent was prepared 30 minutes before the service iqala. Number two, MC had to start the service without a program. Ke nalapho we had to call Sincenge futhi uhlazo olungaga. 30 minutes later wafika ama-program with my uncle's photo esingena nest and sakhona. Number three, when we arrived at the graveyard, we were told to the setup was for us, and sasho ke ukuthi at least they did something right ke la kanti lutho, the setup wasn't for us. Kwathiwa were not well organized and the place was not even clean. So kahle Makamu funeral needs to be clear ukuthi the committed to excellence is for specific members. Tina, we don't deserve to send our families with dignity. I am hurt and so disappointed. Naloyo Sandiso Wakhona was very rude, mind you. This was the first time basebenzela ukazin wam ayanda ngubeni lapho. I also have policy nabo. Funeral parlors must stop selling pictures cause they failed to act accordingly. Hashtag Imakamu funeral. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comments section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this video. I will definitely be seeing you on my next one. Bye and God bless.